Good morning to everyone and welcome to another update on the market. For today, I decided to cover British pound versus US dollar. I will speak about the gold market, crude oil and Bitcoin versus US dollar. I will start with the British pound versus US dollar first. So let's start from a longer time frame picture. So we have a very well-defined consolidation on the British pound versus US dollar for basically since the December last year. Pound dollar is trading in a very well-defined trading range on a weekly time frame, as you can see here, with a key resistance zone around 1.2500 mark, basically 1.2 400 area, 430 area. And market is relatively close to that level, but we still didn't test that resistance of this weekly trading range. On the daily time frame, we had a 2 days up, and it seems like market is getting away of this multi-day consolidation. And if we check like 30-minute time frame, for example, we can see that we have this channeling mode, and for now market and sellers are in control. But if the market can do some kind of the recovery or take this area, and then there is a potential for the higher prices, and then the main objective will be around 1.2400 430 area if the market can overtake this supply trend line here. If not, then the market can still continue lower and eventually trade towards the previous day low at 1.2281. Speaking of the gold market, we can see the strong downside. We had a basically inside day yesterday on the market. Today market is still trading inside the previous day range, but sellers are obviously in control, and the level to watch is previous day low at 1949. Supply is taking control here. We can see that market traded about a couple of hours in this range, and then we broke this range to the downside, so below 1966 we can see market is trading lower. Still overall it's inside of this daily coil, right? So it's mostly like for the scalp intraday structure at the moment. Speaking of the crude oil, as alerted also that there is a potential this week for the price to go towards 76.40, 76.60. Market is holding relatively strong. So far it's basically in a consolidation this morning, but overall there is a still chance for higher prices and potential test of 76.40, 76.60 mark, which will be like a main weekly objective for the upside. So on the 2 hour we can see market is building higher lows. 6 hour also looks like very stable and strong, and slow line is rising, so pretty good potential for the higher prices this week towards 76.60 mark. And speaking of the Bitcoin versus US dollar, we have a potential breakout of this range environment. I would like to see the market again to go above 28,000 mark. On the daily time frame, we can see that we had an inside day, and today market is breaking that inside day, so there is a potential for higher prices. Pay attention on 28,000 and then overall this key 28,900 mark, but there is a potential for the bigger upside continuation on the Bitcoin if we can have the break of those 28,000 and 29,000 area, and then this can lead us to maybe even 35,000 mark on the short midterm perspective. So pay attention to this range and potential for the breakout. That'll be all for this update. I hope that you did enjoy. Trade safe as always, and speak to you from tomorrow morning.